Hello children, welcome back. Remember me? My name is Ashima and I will be the teacher for LKGB. And today what am I going to teach you? Right, I'm going to teach you English. And have you done something before in English? Yes, we have done some letters. What alphabets have we done? Can you please help me out? I forgot. What did I teach you? Oh my God. Oh yes, I remember. Now please say it with me so that you don't forget. A. A says A. B. B says Ba. C. C says Ka. D. D says Da. E. E says Fa. G. G says Ga. G says Ga. And H. H says Ha. So in total 5, 6, 7. Right. We have done some 7 to 8 letters. Now, I'm going to teach you a new alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That is what we've done. And that makes it 8. Now, today we are going to learn the number 9. What comes after H? You know? Alright. I. What comes after H? I. I says E. I says E. I says E. I says E. And what do you think of when you think of I? Can you tell me? Oh my God, it is so hot. I says E. And E. Injection. Very good. E. Injection. And what is this? Ink. Ink. And you put ink in a ink pot. Okay. I'm very scared of injections. बहुत डर लगता है. आपको डर लगता है? Right. Injection and ink. Next. What next? India. What is this? India. What is this? India. Very good. Which country do we belong to? India. We are the citizens of India. Very good. And what is this? Igloo. This is an igloo. You know, in very cold places where there is lots and lots and lots of ice everywhere, there people live in igloo. Their houses, like we've got this house where we stay. In those places where it is all ice, you look here, it is ice, you look there, it is ice, down ice, everywhere ice. In those places people live in igloos. People live in igloos. This house which they live in is made of ice. Ice, you know, baraf. Right. Then what are these? Insects. What are these? Insects. Insects. Insects क्या होते हैं? छोटे छोटे कीड़े. You know? Ants, cockroach, ladybird, mosquito, spider. जब इन सब का एक फैमिली होता है, जब ये सब इकट्ठा आप बात कर रहे हो, तो you call them insects. You call them insects. Very good. And last one here. Invitation. Very good. Invitation. What is it? Invitation. When someone calls you for a party, like a birthday party or a wedding party or a dinner party, they send you invitation. They send you invitation. They send you invitation. Very good. Now, I we've done. Do you want to revise? Yes. I says I. I says I. I says I. I says I. I. Injection. I. Injection. Very good. Ink. Ink. India. India. Igloo. Igloo. Cockroach, mosquito, spider, ladybirds are insects. Insects. Invitation. Invitation. Very good. So now you know one more letter, that is I. And I says I. I says I. Now can we go next? Okay, the next letter. What comes after I? J. Perfect. J. J says ja 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 ja. J says ja 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 ja. Ja 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 jug. Ja 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 jug. And who's this little fellow who makes us smile? Has a cute little smile. Always smiling. Joker. Ja 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 ja. Joker. Jelly. Ja 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 ja. Jelly. Jam. Ja 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 ja. Jam. You know where police people keep bad people, all those who do bad things, they are kept in the jail. Ja 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 ja. Jail. Ja 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 ja. Jail. Jacket. Ja 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 ja. Jacket. Ja 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 ja. Jacket. Revise. Okay. J says ja. J says ja. Ja 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 ja. Jug. Ja 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 ja. Jug. Ja 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 ja. Joker. Ja 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 ja. Joker. Ja 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 ja. Jelly. Ja 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 ja. Jam. Ja 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 ja. Jail. And ja 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 ja. Jacket. Very good. So now 2 more letters we've done today. We've done I and we've done J. Perfect. Now you know 10 letters in total. Okay. Are you sure to revise? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. In total 10 we know now. You know all, I'm sure, but we have done together till J. So now you will tell Mummy and Daddy to show you more pictures of letters I and J. I have shown you some pictures, I have made some pictures, and you are going to see more pictures which I have not shown in the paper. There can be many more pictures which are difficult to draw, so I could not draw them. But you can tell Mummy and Daddy to show you on a computer or a laptop. Now tell me one thing. How many of you did that A wala work which I have given? Mummy and Daddy drew it for you? Did they draw it on a paper? A and apple? Yes? You did it? Very good. I'm very happy. Keep it very safely, okay? Keep it in a file folder, okay? Tell Mummy and Daddy to bring a file folder for you and you can put it in that. Now today again I have some work for you. Are you ready for the work? Okay. Now today's work is you have to learn to write A. You have to learn to write A. I request the parents, आप कोई भी paper ले सकते हो, any paper. You have to make checks like this. 4-line notebook में नहीं लिखाना है. आप ऐसे चेक्स बनाएंगे, like say at least 4 to 5 in one line, and six times is more than enough. Then you are going to draw dotted A's like this, capital A only. Okay, हाफ पेज में आप डॉटेड बना दो और नीचे का हाफ ब्लैंक छोड़ दो. फर्स्ट हाफ में दे विल राइट ऑन द डॉट्स, ओके, एंड नीचे दे विल राइट इट देमसेल्व्स. पहले आपसे जैसे मैंने 1 2 3 लाइंस में डॉटेड लिखा है और 3 लाइंस ब्लैंक छोड़ी हैं, तो ये 3 लाइंस में ये डॉटेड पे लिखेंगे और नीचे वाली 3 लाइंस में अपने आप ए लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. You have to write their name and date. Okay, I have written today's date. You have to write their name and date. Join the dots will be their heading. Okay, clear? I am repeating again. अच्छे बड़े checks बनाएंगे, जितने बड़े ये मैंने बनाए हैं. छोटे छोटे checks नहीं बनाएंगे because that will make them difficult to write. Then they will write. You will write in half the paper dots. And the other half of the paper they have to write it themselves. This is A, capital A. अब पेपर के पीछे वाली साइड पे, एक साइड पे तो आपने A लिखा लिया, एक साइड पे आपने A लिखा. मम्मा डैडी मेड join dot dots for you. They made dot 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 dot. You will join, write very neatly on these dots. और फिर नीचे अपने आप इतनी बार डॉट पे लिखने के बाद प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी ना, फिर नीचे वाली साइड पे यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इट योरसेल्फ. इज दैट क्लियर? देन यू विल टर्न, एंड दिस इज द अदर एक्सरसाइज. दैट डे I told you to color A and on the other side draw an apple, right? Now today one side you are going to write A and all the other side color only A sound pictures. आपकी हेडिंग है color only A sound pictures. और ये इतनी सारी पिक्चर्स मैंने बनाई हैं. एप्पल, बॉल, एक्स, बैट, एरोप्लेन एंड फिश. मम्मी डैडी विल ड्रॉ दीज पिक्चर्स ऑन पेपर. आई रिपीट, ड्रॉ. ठीक है, और उसके बाद आप इसमें से ओनली ए वाली पिक्चर्स, जो ए साउंड वाली पिक्चर्स हैं, वो पिक्चर्स बच्चे कलर करेंगे. These instructions are for parents. Please be very careful when you do your work. One side you are going to write your child's name and date with join the dots. A, 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 A. They will join and write. नीचे 3 times they will write it themselves. Then you will turn the paper. Color only A sound pictures. Same paper है, अलग अलग paper नहीं लिया है मैंने. Same paper है, आप उसमें A से जितनी पिक्चर्स मैंने बनाई हैं, देयर आर 6 पिक्चर्स इन टोटल. 1 2 3 4 5 6. यू विल मेक दीज 6 पिक्चर्स एप्पल, बॉल, एक्स, बैट, एरोप्लेन एंड फिश, एंड लेट देम कलर इट देमसेल्व्स. तो आपको भी पता चलेगा इनको कितना याद है, कितना समझ में आया है, इन्होंने मेरी बात कितनी मानी. ओके, सो व्हेन यू कम बैक टू स्कूल यू विल कीप इट इन अ फाइल फोल्डर. When we meet in school, which will be whenever it allows, we are going to check these papers for you. Your respective class teachers, LKG A, B, C, D, आप जब स्कूल आओगे तो आपकी मैम आपका पेपर चेक करेंगी. Is that clear? Very good. You have been very good students and I really like you all. So till the time we meet next, wait. You have to wash your hands, stay indoors, eat healthy food, don't trouble your mom and dad, do your work yourself. They will draw it for you and you will do it yourself. Keep washing your hands clean, keep your room clean, keep your toys in one place. I'm telling you a lot of things to do and I know you will do it. Okay, so till we meet next, bye bye.